Well, hello folks, and welcome to another video. So I've been buying stuff again, so stay tuned, see what I got. So folks, I'll keep you in suspense no longer. There we go guys, we have the Samsung portable SSD hard drive, and it's a 1 terabyte. So guys, I bought that in one of Amazon's, they call it lightning sales or spot sales. An absolute bargain that was, guys, an absolute bargain. So it's the 1 terabyte hard drive, and I paid £113 for that. Now normally they are close to, I think, £349 what it was at the time, but I paid £113 for that. An absolute bargain. Now, just briefly why I wanted an external hard drive. I do all of my photo and video editing off of an external hard drive, and I normally use the old-fashioned HDD version, spinning disc or spinning platter, and it's okay, but the bigger the files get, it gets slower and slower. And I've been looking at upgrading perhaps to a more or faster version or a better version, and I was looking at buying the 500 gig version. That came up, actually it was not a lot of difference in price, so that was a must. So that's what we got. So guys, we're gonna get it out of the box so you can have a look. So folks, let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. So there you go folks, there's the Samsung portable hard drive. And the first thing that strikes me is how small it is. Now I know they say size isn't important, but not sure they're talking about hard drives. But as I say, it's very tiny. Just to give you a little comparison, there you go guys, there is a AA battery. So that's how tiny it is. So let's have a quick look around it guys. There's not really much to see on it actually guys, so there you go. That is really tiny, quite lightweight. I think sort of an aluminium sort of outer sort of skin if you like, but there's not much on it guys. So there you go, that is how tiny it is. So folks, it comes with a couple of leads for connecting to your computer. So you can see that one. So we have that one there. Now I'm not a computer techie, so I'm not sure what that one's called, but you have that version there, or you have perhaps this one, more of a standard version there. As I said, I'm not a computer techie, so I can't really remember what they're called. So it comes with them two leads, and I also bought this guys. I'll just put that over one side. I already bought that guys, which is basically just a case, a hard case that comes with it, and I bought that, and that all of this set me back, I think it was £126. So I think that was 113 guys, and I can't remember what that was, but it was £14–15, but the whole lot came to £126 guys. So I think that was pretty much of a bargain. I haven't actually tried it yet. I've set it up because you have to install some software on your computer, and then the software will update, but I haven't actually used it guys, so that'll be the next thing. So folks, that was the Samsung portable SSD hard drive. So what I'm going to do now guys is I'm going to go away and edit the video. I'm going to edit on the Samsung hard drive. Hopefully that'll give me some sort of idea of how quick it is, but I've got no sort of software or anything like that I can do any type of benchmarking, so any sort of speed comparison will be pretty crude and pretty basic, but I'm hoping it'll be enough to give a comparison. So really what I should do is I'll just chop a proportion of the sort of video out of it, perhaps a 5-minute slot, I don't know guys, and then edit it up on both hard drives and just see if it will give me any kind of sort of comparison in speed. I know it's a pretty crude test, but that's all I can do. Some of the tests I've sort of seen on YouTube about it can anything up to 5 times faster, but because that's depending on your computer and your software. But anyway guys, that's what I'm going to do. I shall go up and edit this, and then we'll give it a try. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.